Welcome to Silver Preserve, a unique community set across 51 picturesque acres in Cumberland County. This neighborhood seamlessly blends modern amenities with natural beauty. Conveniently located near major routes, Silver Preserve offers easy access to nearby dining, shopping, and entertainment options on the Carlisle Pike and beyond. The highly rated Cumberland Valley Middle and High Schools are just over 1 mile away, ensuring effortless travel for school and extracurricular activities. Set against rolling hills, many homes in Silver Preserve offer scenic views and a tranquil atmosphere enhanced by green spaces on the West Shore. Explore the outdoors with walking trails thoughtfully integrated throughout the community. Keystone Custom Homes offers you the ability to personalize your home with a range of customizable options, creating spaces that reflect your unique style. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and contemporary living at Silver Preserve. Make Silver Preserve your new home today.